And this is Hayley's owner. And we taught Hayley a little bit of agility in the past couple of days. I'll show you her progress right now. Go. Her progress. She's been doing very good, and we can't teach her today because it's like was just thunderstorming and raining, and it's really wet. So I'm not gonna teach her at all today. She's really tired today and stuff. That was just the mail. Well, I don't know if Hayley's coming over, but yeah, here she comes. But that was just the mail coming, and she wants to go outside, but it was just pouring. And now it's like all muddy. So she can't really go outside right now. She's just gonna lay down. But yeah, she's really tired. A lot of chairs. Then behind it, like you can see that little bit of wood. Oh god, now it's just zooming into my ugly fingers. Put back there. Oh god, please no. You can see the wood. And that's where her jump is. And it goes on them bricks. There. And then she jumps over that. I just showed you the video. And one of them took place over there. One of them took place in here. And the last one took place right there. This video, I hope you enjoyed. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Posted in a while.